Hello guys, it's me. It's been a while since I made a video. Before it was I was a CCA. Now I've been a regular uh, 3 years now since April, but total I've been uh, carrying mail, delivering mail and packages 4 years. So days so fast, so I became regular 1 year later because in our office a lot of people retired, so the seniority, I was 12 and then in 1 year I became regular. Others, the one before me, um, like 8 months they became regular. So anyway, my route now is driving and boxes, like apartment and a business. Before, when I was starting, it was in the woods, walking route, like from the day you start until the end. And as a CCA, they always give you like more, like after you finish, then they will send you back. And then the longest hours I did before was um, almost 12 hours from 8 a.m. to almost 10 p.m. Oh man, that was busy day that time. But now I'm in Aliso Viejo, so before I was in Laguna Woods. Then now I'm in Aliso Viejo. Although a lot of parcels in Aliso Viejo, but it's driving and some are boxes, so you don't have to walk all day. I had I got plantar fasciitis, or how do you pronounce it, from walking in the woods, Laguna Woods, here in California. So that's why when I had a chance, I bid on another route. When I opt in, you can do that. Then when I became a regular, they assigned me one route, which is also in the woods. I had no choice but to take it. And then when one route was got open, then I bid on that, or two routes. But I didn't get the one I like, so I have second choice. So I got other route, my second choice, and then I stayed there for one month until another route was open. Then I bid on that until you like that route. So there was one route 29. Um, it was okay, but it's a court. The small. You have to do 3 point terms. So I stayed there for almost 2 years, maybe. And then when there's another route that opened that I think it's better, then I bid on that, which is now I'm doing that now, that route. So it's okay. If you're starting as a CCA, my advice is just just stick with it. It's hard, a lot of work. Your supervisor will send you back after you finish the route, your route or what they give you, and they will send you back to do another or help another career. You just have to stick with it and just follow. And then when you become a regular, it'll be, although you don't have to deliver on Sunday delivery, because if you're CCA, you have to do delivery on Sunday. Then if you have your own route, then it's if you like it, then you can stay. If not, then you can bid on another route that if there's an open one, So just pure CCA, just don't quit, because you know everything is hard in the beginning, but then once you become regular, you can get used to it, and then um, you don't have to. You can say no to your supervisor if because you're regular now. Then you don't need to follow uh, follow him if they ask you to go out, unless you want it. If you want to get overtime. So yeah. So but being you get when you, especially when you're young, you start young and you work for 20 years, you'll have good pension. Plus, it's post office USPS. It's secured. Um, I don't think AI will replace mailman, because right now it's all AI, and other companies are maybe laying off workers because of AI. But delivering mail and packages, I think I don't think be it'll get replaced by AI. So that's my advice if you're a CCA. Although sometimes it'll take you 2 years, but you just have to stick with it. And then when you become regular, since you already started it, then just keep, just do it, keep doing it until you become regular. But if you really cannot do it, and it's not for you, then then you can quit. But at least at the USPS, it's regular regular job, steady job. Um, you know, and your pay also get increased, and good benefits too. You know, and if you're thinking of joining or applying for the post office job, if you want to become a mailman, you have to take the test. So apply, go to their website, and then apply. What I did before, I had guide. I paid $45, I think. It's a guide to how to pass the test for the post office. So you have kind of like you read and then you practice test, and then if you're ready, then you can take the real test for the post office, and then hopefully you pass, and it's if you get a higher grades, then your seniority will be higher compared to the lower grades. So you have to go to the academy. They teach you how to, everything. Then you get your OJT, and then shadow day, Yeah, you look at my video before. It was, I was just starting, and one time I even, I almost quit because it was so hard. They gave me the woods all walking. But now it's okay. So you know, if you're lucky, you become regular right away. Not even 1 year, but others takes 2 years. But you just have to stick with it. You know. Anyway, hopefully, I'll make another video, and I don't wanna maybe with my uniform, so you can see. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon again. Okay, bye. Keep safe.